guys, what it is, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm Aliyah. This is my first YouTube video and I'm so excited to be here doing this right now. Thank you for being here. If you're one of like the 15 people, like the 15 views that I feel like I'm gonna get on this video, just a round of applause for you because you are the real MVP, and I thank you so much for watching my video. It really motivates me to keep going. So today we're gonna talk about something I got in the mail about a week ago. I got this package about a week ago. Hey, okay. I got this little package in the mail about a week ago and I'm very excited about it. I've already opened it, so I know what it is, but I'm going to open it for you guys. But before I do that, I just want to say again, thank you for being here. Make sure you subscribe. I have a lot of good content coming out. Today is a beauty video, but that's not the only thing that I'm going to do on this channel. I'm going to do beauty, lifestyle, clothing hauls, reviews, talks, all of that. So yeah, stick around. And if you subscribe, you'll know when I post. Today, we're talking about this baby. First of all, let me open this for you guys. Presentation, hi, Lunar Beauty. So this box means that I have the Life's Drag palette. And you know, I've been looking around on YouTube and not that many chocolate girls have been playing around with this palette. So I was like, Aliyah, you have the palette. You have to do something with it. So that's what I'm going to do today. Lunar Beauty is a new makeup brand by MannyMUA, who is a huge beauty guru here on YouTube, and I watch him literally all the time. So Manny, if you ever see this, hi, love you, and hopefully this palette is bomb. But yeah, so we're going to get started. And if you want to see what I come up with, stay tuned. So this palette includes 14 shades, 6 neutrals, 6 bold colors, 2 shimmers, and a dual-ended brush. Okay, so I've already done one eye, and this is what I came up with. And I used a good amount of shades. I used the shades Kai Kai, Snatched, Hunty, Cake Face, and Trade. So yeah, I used a good amount of shadows, and yeah, I'm gonna do this other eye on camera and hopefully I don't struggle. So let's get to it. So first thing I'm gonna do is take that shade Hunty, and that's gonna be my transition shade, and I'm just gonna build it all in my crease, and it's literally just for transition. As you can see, it's really close to my skin tone, which is good. That's what I look for in a transition shade. So now we're about to get into the color. And that means I need tape. And I'm going to use guard tape, electrical tape for regular people, but I do color grade. So I'm going to take my guard tape. And this is so I can make sure everything comes out crisp and clean. So got my tape. Next, I'm going to take a flat packer brush and I'm going to go into Kai Kai and put that all over my lid. With this shade, I noticed that it's best to pack first before you blend. Now that I have Kai Kai packed on, I'm going to take a smaller little blending brush, still going in the Kai Kai, and I'm going to start blending it into my crease. Now that I have Kai Kai laid down, I'm going to take my finger. Gonna dip. Oh my god, I forgot to say, I used Legendary as well, and I'm about to dip into Legendary, and I'm gonna pack that all over my lid as well. It's so pretty. This shade is like ridiculous, and I'm taking it up into my crease as well. I'm kind of doing like a half cut crease, but not, because it's not cut at all. I can't cut creases. And now I'm going to take another blending brush, shocker, and I'm going to go into the shade Snatched and build that up in my outer corner to darken up my crease. Like it's already looking so pretty. Like, oh my god. And I look crazy with this piece of tape on my face, but trust me, it's key. At least for me, because I can't get symmetrical to save my life. And then I'm gonna start blending that into the crease on top of the legendary shade. And now to take it one step further to really get that depth, I'm going to go into the shade Trade and put that right in the outer V. And we're just gonna build her up in the outer V like so. Now I'm gonna go back into the shade Hunty, going back into Hunty, and I'm taking a small blending brush again, and I'm just gonna take a light amount of Hunty and go all across my outer edges to soften them up. Now I'm going to take this small pencil brush and I'm going to take the shade Cake Face and put that on my inner corner. We're about to make her bright or whatever. I'm going to put her right here. Real cute. And I am dragging her down my lower lash line. Yeah, drawing her down there as well. Now we got this. I'm gonna take my Artist Couture highlighter, one of my favorites, in the shade Illuminati, and I'm gonna pop that on top of Cake Face to really get that glow. And to do that, I'm gonna go back into this blending brush so I can diffuse it. Come through with the shine, the glisten. Yes, ma'am. Ooh, yes, we looking cute. Okay, I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner. This is just from BH Cosmetics, and draw my wing. And this tape helps keep my wing like sharp enough to cut a bit. Alright, and now that that's done, let it dry a little bit. My tape. Yeah. Okay, so eyes are done. No, they're not. I lied. They're not. I'm gonna take my pencil brush and we're gonna layer the lower lash line. And there, the eyes are done. Alright, so the eyes are done. Now we gotta add the finishing touches to this face real quick. And I'm gonna go into my highlighter. I am using Illuminati from Artist Couture. And we're gonna light it up. It's time to get lit. It's time to get lit. gonna do the other side. And I'm also gonna take this and make it my brow bone line highlight. Can we take a second and appreciate the glow though? Like, all right. So now we're highlighted, honey. We're glowing. And I know we have a bold eye, but I feel like this bold eye needs a bold lip to go with it. So I'm gonna take Rouge by ColourPop. It's this really, really pretty red. And I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna have to look at my mirror though. I'm gonna have to look at my mirror. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, it would be my look to sneeze on camera. Oh my god, again, it would be me. So yeah, isn't this red so pretty? And because I'm extra, I'm gonna take it one step further, and I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty gloss. I don't even remember what shade this is. Oh, Astronauty. And I'm gonna put some of that on it because I like shine. But this is what it looks like with a matte lip. And then we're gonna add some gloss. This is it with the gloss. Oh, I love it with the gloss. This is the look with the gloss. Okay, so my final thoughts about the Aliyah.Xo Drag palette. I love it. I played around with some other shades too before I settled on this look. But y'all, this thing is huge. Like, it's the size of my face, for real, for real. Like the size of my hand. It's probably like 2 of my hands, or like 1.5 of my hands. It's a really good size. She's heavy. She really does feel luxurious, like super luxurious. So yeah, I would buy it. It's really black girl friendly, so woo woo for that. Woo woo, you know, it'd be a struggle out here for us sometimes. But yeah, like all these beautiful shades, there's so much you can do with this palette. Like honestly, this palette can just be your one palette that you take on the go because of the the side that has all the colors and then the side that has all the neutrals, and you can interchange them as much as you want. So yeah, I really like this palette and I definitely recommend getting it. That's the end of this video. I really hope you like this look. I had so much fun with doing it and making it. Oh, I hope my first YouTube video wasn't too bad, you guys. I really hope it wasn't, but yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, interact with me. Leave me some suggestions and stuff down below you would like to see me do, and I'll do it. But yeah, that's all I have today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.